Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite a turnaround on Tesla. I mean, at one point, the chart looked like that. Beautiful move upwards, consolidating, nothing wrong at all. And then, okay, yeah, things were starting to look a little shaky there. And then the last 30 minutes, just down it went, which has really transformed the chart here quite a bit and brought in a couple levels that didn't seem that they would have mattered at all going into Tuesday, but now they do. And that first level here that at least matters to me, and I think a lot of other traders will be watching, is that area down here around $665. Going through the history of the chart, you can see that this was an area of support right there. Actually, let me get this out of the way. There we go. Then you could look down there. You can see support, 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 support. And then once again, the price isn't quite there, but it's very close. And then you now also have that pink line, which is basically valued at 665. So it's kind of a double whammy of support, meaning it is a more than valid, it's a more than a rational question to be wondering, okay, is the price going to test 665? And if it does, can it hold? That's going to be the big question. It could very well produce a bounce like it's done before, but if the price does break down below there, you know, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, that could create quite a bit of additional downside selling pressure, because now all of a sudden you'd have a situation where a level that had previously shown to have buyers all of a sudden doesn't seem to have any buyers, which would cause people to just want to, you know, get out of the stock. So keep a close eye on that. And if 665 is broken, next level would then be down there at 655. So you got a potential $10 drop right there in the event that 665 does not quite hold up. So keep an eye on that, but there's no doubt about it. And I state the obvious when I say this, but yeah, there's just a lot of downwards pressure, downwards momentum that was going into today. But it is Tesla, so who knows? Maybe this thing will all of a sudden turn itself around and head right back up. And on that note, if it does something like that, the first key area of support on any sort of attempt to just, you know, all of a sudden turnaround, going to be right up there at $690. So keep your eye on these dynamics moving forward, these levels, and let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.